Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you guys along today for like my ideal morning routine. It's a Saturday morning, so I thought I would take you guys along for everything that I love to do in the morning. Obviously, if I'm having clinic at 7 o'clock and like I have to leave the house at 6, I'm not doing all this because I can't wake up that early. But this is like my ideal if I had all the time in the world, what I would like to do in the morning. So I've already made my bed and drank whatever's left of my Stanley like on my bedside table. But I'm going to make some tea and journal. Okay, for my tea, I'm going to do this white papaya white tea. It's so good, but it's loose, so you have to like use a little tea, what are these called? Like a little tea strainer. I don't actually know like how much you're supposed to measure, but you just guess. While I drink my tea, or actually wait for it to cool down because I don't like anything too hot. I like lukewarm tea. I'm gonna journal. So I just use like a blank journal, like there's no prompts in it or anything. And I try to just write down like anything that's going through my head. And then I always write a few things that I'm grateful for. I feel like it's just important to remember like the little things that you're grateful for in life, because I feel like with a really busy schedule and just like in grad school, it's really easy to be like, oh my god, my life sucks. And then you have to like step back and be like, no, my life is actually amazing. So I'm gonna do that, write a few things I'm grateful for. My tea is piping hot, so I'll probably wait a few more minutes to drink it. Okay, so next I want to go to the gym, and I feel like what I eat before I go to the gym depends on what I'm gonna lift. So I have legs today, and I feel like I'm always so hungry. Oh my gosh, what's happening to the lighting? I'm always so hungry when I lift legs, so I'm actually gonna make a meal before I go, but I'm gonna get ready really quick. But it's Saturday, I think I said that in the beginning, and I'm so tired of eating eggs. So normally for breakfast I have like 3 or 4 eggs and then some sort of like meat and some fruit, but I really want pancakes. And so I'm gonna make some pancakes as like a leg day fuel, and I think we have like some chicken in the fridge or something, but I'm gonna like put my contacts in really quick and then make some pancakes because I haven't had them in so long. If you know me, pancakes are like my favorite freaking food. I just love them. I'm gonna get dressed really quick out of my robe. I could stay in my robe all day. I love my robe, but I always feel like scrubby, you know? It's also hair wash day, so I'm gonna put a hair mask in while I go to the gym because I have to wash it when I come back anyways. It's like a 2-for-1, you know? I'm just gonna get my hair like a little bit wet because I think the mask like goes in it better. So it's gonna look really greasy. I basically am just like getting my hands wet and then so it's like damp. I can't find my spray bottle. I have a spray bottle somewhere because I cut Jordan's hair myself and I have to like spray it with water before I can clip the top. I've been cutting his hair since COVID because all of the like barbershops and stuff shut down. I'm just gonna use this Amica mask if I can get open. And I remember one time I accidentally shaved a hole into his head. Like I accidentally cut like a whole patch off. But that's okay. You live and you learn. So I usually just start in the roots. I do put it in my roots just because I feel like my roots have bleach on them. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. And then I'll let this sit for a few hours because if I have to eat breakfast, because like I said, I'm very hungry, then I will wait like an hour or so before I hit the gym. So I'll try and get my studying done for the day, which is not a part of a fun morning routine, but I just thought I would show you my pancake recipe. And I'm tired of eating eggs because I've been prepping this like egg bake every day that I go to clinic so that I can sleep a few extra minutes, and I'm kind of over it. So, while I have the time today, I thought it would be fun to try something new. And then I'm just going to put it in a bun. I feel like the key is to like slick the hair back, but then make like the actual bun loose and hope that it stays. And I leave my ends out when they're wet like this, more on my little ends, and then I just leave them out so that they aren't like breaking or anything. All right, that is pretty much all I'm gonna do to get ready for the gym, because like I said, I'm gonna come home and shower, and I am not one that wears like makeup to the gym or anything because I don't like to. I feel like I get sweaty, and I have really like acne prone skin, obviously, and so I don't like to wear a lot of makeup because then I feel like it just makes me break out more than my normal breakout. But let's pick out a gym outfit. Alright, like I said, it's leg day. Oh, my lights are on. The lights in our bedroom are so dim. And I feel like I only have certain leggings that I like to lift in for leg day. Do you know what I hope somebody knows what I'm talking about. So let's get dressed. Okay, this is my gym outfit of the day. It's just camo lines, it's like one shoulder bra, some white socks, and then I always lift legs in these like dirty old Nike Metcons. That's just cute. And then it's actually freezing today. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's pouring, so I have to wear a jacket. So I'm just gonna wear this like black zip up, my goodness, into the gym, and I'm gonna show you how I make my patented like healthy pancakes. These are super easy and so yummy. So you just need a banana. I also make them in the blender. Bear with me. And it makes a lot, so I do 2 pans at a time to optimize my pancake production. Okay, so 1 banana and a cup of oats, except you guys are sitting on my oat bin as a tripod, so hold on. Cup of oats. You could probably use whatever kind of oats you wanted, but I like rolled oats. The best. Back in business. We're gonna do 1 egg, and then I always add in a little bit of cinnamon, especially if my banana's really ripe, because I feel like it kind of covers that banana flavor. And then we're gonna do like half of a teaspoon of baking powder. If I can find my half of a teaspoon. Where's all my measuring things? That's a full. Here's a half. And then I always add flaxseed to it as well. But that's optional. So you can add like whatever add-ins you want. I'm just gonna add some flaxseed. Just like a spoonful. And then you need like, the oats soak up water, so this is always the hardest part. So you're gonna need like 1/2 to 3/4 cup of milk. I'm not drinking milk right now, and I'm pretty sure I'm reacting to almonds, so I'm just gonna use water, and it does the same thing, but you need some liquid of some sort. And I would say like 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup. You just guess. Should I add cacao powder and make them chocolate? No, I'm not feeling that today. And then we're gonna blend them up. So hold on, this is probably gonna be loud. All right. So sometimes at first, I don't want to spill it, but the consistency is like kind of watery. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but the oats will soak up water as they sit. So if it looks watery at first, I say give it a second, and then the oats will kind of soak up water. I am gonna add chocolate chips because it's a Saturday and I didn't have to go into clinic today. I'm so freaking excited. These are just dark chocolate chips. Oh, so good. Okay, my pans are hot, and I just do a little bit of coconut oil. So she's already like thickened up quite a bit, so I'm just gonna pour her on there. I'm so excited to eat these. I used to eat these all the time, but I haven't had them in a while, so I'm very excited. I would say that this, like 1 cup of oats and 1 banana makes like 1 serving. So if Jordan was gonna eat these, I would double it. But we're big eaters, so And I can't even tell you how many pancakes this makes because I make them different sizes every time because I don't know what I'm doing. They also don't bubble like a real pancake as much, so you just kind of have to watch them to flip them. I'll show you. I just flipped them. They're very quick. But they get kind of golden brown, but like I said, they don't really bubble up like normal pancakes if you had used like flour. My pancakes are almost done. I have my last ones going. And then for toppings, I'm going to do raspberries and strawberries and maple syrup. My favorite maple syrup is just from Costco, like the pure maple syrup. Need a knife. It's so good. So I'm just going to chop a few strawberries up really quick. I probably won't eat all of these pancakes because I'm going to the gym and I don't want to have to wait a super long time. And I'll give Jordan a few so he can have a treat. Okay, these are probably done, so I'm going to take them off. They're all done. They look so good. I feel like with the little bit of coconut oil, they get nice and brown and crispy on the outside. I'm just going to finish cutting up my strawberries. You can really add whatever you want, and you can add whatever add-ins you want to. Like sometimes I'll do walnuts. Normally I do chocolate chips though because that's my favorite. Sometimes I'll add raw cacao powder. Like I'll activate it with some coconut oil, and then I'll put that in and make them like double chocolate chip, you know? And that's pretty good. So I'm just going to add my toppings. I don't know how to show you, so I'm just going to do it. But I'm going to do a bunch of strawberries and then some of these raspberries too. I feel like these are just like a good, healthier alternative, especially if you add lots of fruit on top because you have a banana in the mix. Like oats are more nutrient dense than just like normal flour. You get an egg in there. So I feel like overall, just a little better for you and still so good. I'm also going to do a sprinkle of hemp seeds on top. But I'm going to do my syrup first, but I have to open it, so hold on, this always takes forever. And then I'm just going to do like a sprinkle of hemp seeds on top. And that is my breakfast. She looks so stinking good. Yum! Okay, I just got back from the gym. Jordan's prepping ribs for dinner. But the gym was super busy, so I didn't actually get any clips in the gym because I didn't want like anybody in the shot, and then I was by myself, so then I get nervous. Anyway, so I didn't get any shots at the gym, but that is like kind of the end of my ideal morning routine. But my workout was really good today. I did legs today, and so I warmed up, and then I did goblet squats. I think I did like 3 sets of 5. They were super heavy. And then I did Bulgarian split squats, we'll say like 3 sets of 6 to 8 on each leg. And then I did RDLs, superset with B stance RDLs, and I just went till failure. And then I did hip thrusts, like 4 sets of 8, and I could barely walk out of the gym, so it was a very good workout. But like I said, I think that is the end of my little morning routine. I wish I could do this every day and then I didn't have to go to clinic so early in the morning. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.